Hello dear students, welcome to Active Learners Point. Welcome in English class. This class is for Standard 1st, Semi-English, Urdu. Let's learn English with more fun. Are you ready to learn English with me? Let's start. Dear students, today we are going to start Unit 5.1 number song from your textbook page number 38. Listen, sing and act. Let's sing the song.
1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Plant the trees more and more. Plant the trees more and more. 5, 6, 7 and 8. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Plant the trees near the gate. Plant the trees near the gate. 9 and 10. 9 and 10. 9 and 10. 9 and 10. Plant the trees double of 10. Plant the trees double of 10. Double of 10. Double of 10.
Look, repeat, learn to count in English. So dear students, look the picture and repeat with me and learn to count in English. 1 flower, 2 flowers, 3 flowers, 4 flowers, 5 flowers, 6 flowers, 7 flowers, 8 flowers, 9 flowers, 10 flowers. Dear students, repeat the video again and again and learn the poem and learn the numbers from 1 to 10. I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button, and if you are new, please subscribe. Don't forget to press bell icon, and thanks for watching.